Hello, little astronauts. Ready to explore space with me? Let's count 10 super fun space facts. 1. Space is silent. Did you know? Space is super quiet. There's no sound in space. 2. Sun is so big. The sun is really, really big. It's bigger than 1 million Earths. 3. The moon is moving away. Every year the moon moves a tiny bit away from Earth. Bye-bye, moon. 4. Saturn can float. Saturn is huge, like a giant ball, but it's so light it could float in a big bathtub. 5. Biggest volcano on Mars. On Mars, there's a giant volcano called Olympus Mons. It's super tall. 6. An astronaut once played golf on the moon. How cool is that? 7. Astronauts grow a little taller in space. No gravity means more stretch. 8. Space smells like burnt toast or metal. Weird, right? 9. Jupiter has 95 moons. That's a lot of moon buddies. 10. The space station goes around Earth super fast, every 90 minutes. Wow, space is full of amazing things. Which fact was your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.